40% of Americans struggle with obesity, but the weight loss drug they're all using? Nobody shows what it actually does inside the body. Inside the human body, weight gain doesn't happen silently. Fat cells keep expanding layer by layer, both visceral and subcutaneous, forming deep pockets of stored energy. On a microscopic level, these fat cells inflate like balloons, filling with lipid droplets as they grow. At the same moment, a powerful messenger enters the bloodstream, the GLP-1 hormone, drifting between red blood cells as it begins its signaling process. Along with it, the GIP hormone activates too, sending its own teal-colored glow towards specific receptors. On the surface of the cell membrane, receptors sit like docking ports, GLP-1 receptors lighting up with a cool blue glow, while GIP receptors shine in their own contrasting color. Then a new molecule enters the scene, tirzepatide, a dual agonist engineered to connect with both receptors at the same time. When this molecule performs its dual docking, both receptors activate brightly, like metabolic switches being turned on simultaneously. This activation wakes up the pancreas's beta cells, causing insulin vesicles to glow as they're released into the bloodstream. Inside the brain's hypothalamus, appetite control signals begin to calm. Neural circuits slow down, pulsing gently with blue waves. In the stomach, gastric emptying slows dramatically. Food travels downward at a much slower pace, naturally reducing hunger. In the bloodstream, glucose molecules are absorbed in a smooth, steady rhythm. No spikes, no crashes, just controlled sugar flow. A split-view comparison shows how normal GLP-1 receptors send only a single signal, while tirzepatide activates two pathways, improving insulin sensitivity more rapidly. Inside muscle cells, GLUT4 channels open wide, letting glucose enter freely and convert into clean energy. In the liver, fat droplets begin to shrink as hepatocytes emit a healthier glow. A before and after comparison shows dim, inactive receptors suddenly lighting up after tirzepatide activation. Along the gut-brain axis, hormones travel upward like bright particles, carrying appetite suppression signals straight to the brain. A full-body silhouette begins to glow with streaming light as multiple organs experience a synchronized metabolic boost. Tirzepatide appears in a heroic frame, like a dual key unlocking two receptor locks at once. Inside the pancreas, insulin release increases while glucagon levels drop, the red particles fading as balance is restored. In the stomach and intestines, slow digestion keeps food held longer, weakening cravings over time. Gut hormones glow as they send fullness signals to the brain, illuminating the neural map of the hypothalamus. The brain's reward pathways dim, reducing cravings and emotional eating. Blood sugar stabilizes as red blood cells flow smoothly. In the liver, fat droplets burn away, releasing energy. Fat cells shrink in microscopic before and after views. A full-body cutaway shows internal systems working in harmony, slower digestion, balanced insulin, and reduced fat storage. GLP-1 activity prevents sugar spikes, allowing glucose to enter the bloodstream without creating chaos. Appetite control pathways activate, glowing with soft neon signals inside the brain. Metabolism flows like a bright wave through the organs, energizing the system from the inside. Drug molecules can be seen traveling through the bloodstream, weaving between red blood cells. Hunger signals fade in the brain as dopamine-driven urges calm. The slow emptying stomach holds food longer, preventing rapid hunger. Inside the cells, mitochondria burn fat droplets, releasing bursts of energy particles. A transformation view shows unbalanced hormones on the left and balanced, calm systems on the right. In the final frame, the entire human body glows in neon harmony. Fat cells minimized, hormones balanced, digestion slowed, appetite controlled, and metabolism performing at its peak. This is what happens when a dual pathway drug works silently, scientifically, and powerfully inside the body.